Hello, in this video we will be implementing the LED blinking using push button. In the previous video we had used GPIO IP to blink the LEDs. Today we'll use GPIO IP for input as well as the output. So let's create a project and then create block diagram. Once the project is created, create the block diagram. Same as the previous block diagram, we have to add microblaze and its components. Then edit the clock wizard as previous. It's the similar process. Then add GPIOs. And adding GPIO, enable both the GPIOs. Then for GPIO 1, I have assigned LED as all outputs and for 1 bit GPIO width. And for GPIO 2, I have initialized switch for all inputs. I'm using only one push button, so width is 1. Then validate the design and also assign the GPIO outputs as the external and name them as a switch and LED. Then add source, that is constraint file, add pins of switch as well as LED. So I have already added this, and also the clock. And don't forget to name the same naming from the diagram as well as the XDC. Now generate bit stream, that is run synthesis, implementation, as well as generate the bit stream. Once the bit stream generation is done, open hardware manager, make sure that your FPGA is connected to your PC, then program it by dumping the generated bit file into it. Then go to file, export hardware files including the bit stream, then launch SDK. Since I have already done it, it directly takes me to the SDK. Make sure you assign the suitable pins, or else it may throw an error, or your program might not be configurable. Now create an empty application, then add c.c file as a source file, and then write C program for push button control LED blink. Then run the application and launch it on hardware, and we can observe make sure that you have to program your FPGA first. Later we can dump the file, or else it will throw an error just like it threw now. Okay, while building the file, you may get these errors, that fatal error that there is no such file or directory for some header file. For that, you just need to regenerate BSP sources, and it will automatically regenerate those files which have not been generated. So again, clean and rebuild the file. The errors are gone. Now run launch on hardware, and then we can see on the FPGA. Okay, now you can see that whenever the button is pushed, the LED is on, and when the button is released, the LED is off. This is the implementation of LED blink using push button.